What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm so sorry I have not been posting lately. I've been super busy. I have my own business now and I do rent for my own booth, so I have been super busy, but I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about the Your Sugar color gel that you can get off Amazon, and you get the whole set of 6 different gels for only $16. So that to me is mind-blowing. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. The first color that I'm going to be swatching is going to be the Chameleon Gel. Now this one is so pretty. It can be used so many different ways. You can leave it clear and just use it that way, or you can top it over another color and get a really cool effect. So here it is. And this may be hard to see on camera, but we're going to do 2 coats of everything, just like we would if it was a client. Okay, try to put that where you guys can see. There we go. So you see the little reflex. It's much different over your actual skin or over your actual natural nail. It would be pretty, but I'm gonna go ahead and let that cure. And my light is right here, and I'm gonna let everything cure for 30 seconds each because I am using an LED lamp. Let me turn that away so my gels don't get cured. Okay, and so while that one's curing, we're gonna go ahead and swatch Magic Cat Eye Gel. So if you have a gel that says it claims to be cat eye, you're gonna need a magnet to be able to get the cat eye effect, or you can just use it on its own if you don't have the magnet. Let me move this because I feel like it's messing with my shots. Okay, here we go. Wow, okay, that color is rich. I really like this color. However, and we're gonna try it right now, but I have tried to use the magnet with this and I didn't get the effect that I really wanted. But let's go ahead and give it a shot. This is my magnet right here. Oh, you see that? Cool. So you can use the magnet, and you see the different ways that you move it. It's also going to have a different effect. My magnet is also double-ended, so here's the other side. And as you can see, it kind of moves it a little bit, but like I said, this wasn't the effect that I was really going for. But I'm also not mad about it because I didn't have any shades of green like this one, so I'm kind of happy that I did get this. I think that's pretty cool. I'm just going to leave it like that and go ahead and let it cure. And while I'm waiting on that one to cure, we're just going to go ahead and put another coat on this one. Okay. It's really pretty, you guys. If I can, I will insert a picture right here of a set that I did with this gel on top of a pink, and you can see the effect that it gave it. It makes any color basically look pearly. Alright. Next, we're just going to go ahead and add a second coat onto this green. See if it'll build, see if it'll change any. Okay. And I'm just going to take my magnet, which did not come with the set, I should mention. This did not come with the set, even though the set does have cat eye gels. It did not come with a magnet. So I feel like I should mention that. And like I said, this does have a pretty effect. However, it's not giving me the exact cat eye look that I want, and that is my only complaint about it. It's still very fun, still very cool. I'm sure my clients would still love it. And like I said, I did not have the color on beforehand, so that's helpful. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that one cure. We're gonna move on. Okay, the next one we're gonna swatch is gonna be Glitter Thermal Gel. Now this is the color that I'm already wearing, but I do want you guys to see. So, of course, my body heat is making my nails turn blue. However, if you notice, when I first take the color out of the bottle, it is purple. So, this color starts out with this dark purple, and as your body touches it or as it goes in the lamp, the heat causes it to turn a pretty light blue. So here's your first little swatch just with one coat, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the lamp. All right, now while we wait on that to finish curing, we're gonna go ahead and swatch our next color, which is going to be Chameleon Starry Gel. All right. Sorry, guys. Okay, so here's what this color is looking like. And remember guys, if you were to use this color over a black instead of a clear like I'm swatching it, then you will also get a really pretty effect. Because there's black glitter in here, there's all these different colors, it's catching all these different shifts. I love it. Okay, go ahead and cure that one. And here we are. Here is the purple glitter gel after it's been exposed to the heat inside the lamp. So we're gonna go ahead and add another coat. Purple. Wow. This is amazing. I love this color. I love being able to wash my hands and it turns cold. It's so fun. Your clients will love it as well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do another coat of this one while the thermal gel cures. And I really do love this color. Like I said, it would be so pretty over a green, a purple, a black, all those dark colors. You know, Halloween's coming up, fall's coming up. We need to start adding, you know, darker colors to our collection for our clients. And so here's this one with 2 swatches. I do want to show it over my skin, so maybe if it was actually over a nail that had polish, it would be more pigmented. Super cool. Okay, gonna go ahead and cure that one. And we're gonna move on. Our next color is going to be Hollow Cat Eye Gel. You guys, this is the whole reason why I bought this gel collection, because I did not have any cat eyes in my collection and I knew that I was missing them. So let me just go ahead and show you. The color is so rich, you guys. Honestly, I really only do 1 coat, because, and even though this is on top of a clear nail, it's still super pigmented. But I use nude bases for my clients, so the color is gonna pop so much more. Now, this, on the other hand, has an extreme cat eye effect, which I love. So let me just go ahead and show you. See that? Ooh, you can run it over one more time if you feel like it's just not straight enough or it's just not the way you want it. Ta-da! Super cool, right? My clients absolutely love it. And I do too as well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cure this one. Okay, and the next gel is going to be Purple Series Glitter Gel. So we're gonna try this one out. And remember guys, if there's one color out of a whole set that you don't like, it's still super worth it because you're paying only $16 for all 6 gels. Okay, so this one is like, it has like a blue, purpley, jelly base, and then it's filled with just like glitter chunks. I see some blue, I see some gold. It's like holographic reflecting. I really like this color. Just show you guys, and that's with just 1 coat. That's a lot of coverage for just 1 coat. That's awesome. Okay, so if you do decide you want to layer this cat eye gel, you can. So all you have to do is just take it back, and then the cat eye is going to disappear because you're adding another layer on top of it. And so the trick with these is to keep your cat eye the same. So when you go back and do that second coat, you want to try to get exactly the same line that you originally had. If not, you're going to see like a double line, or it could just look off because there's another line kind of deflecting from your original line. But you can move it back and forth and kind of see, like, it looks pretty good. I don't really notice any weirdness, so go ahead and cure that. And I also want to go ahead and add another coat on top of this one. Here's what it looks like. I really like this color. It's really pretty. Pretty cool, right? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cure those. And while those are curing, I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and top coat all the colors. But I wanted to talk to you guys about a top coat that I discovered off eBay, and I will link everything in the description below, of course. This is the Kupa Gel Infinity no wipe top coat. You get a whopping 15 mils. That's huge. And it's super shiny, super glossy, and of course non-wipe. And oh, did I mention it's only $10 on eBay, and that includes free shipping. So I was super impressed with that. I decided to give it a shot, and it's actually very nice. I've used it on both natural nails and acrylics, and my clients seem to love them. So whether you're a nail tech or a beginner or an at-home learner, I highly recommend this top coat. All right, everybody, here's the end results of all 6 colors swatched 2 times and top coated with my favorite non-white top coat, which is the Kupa Gel Infinity. And I must say, I honestly am obsessed with this purchase. Only $16 for all of these. And I did wear this one for a good 2 weeks or so, and absolutely no chipping. I've used these on my clients. I've used this one on my clients and this one as well. And they absolutely love them. So I'm just here to let y'all fellow nail techs know, go out, order these ASAP, especially if you don't have any cat eye or any thermal gel in your collection. Your clients are going to love it. They're going to be so impressed that you can do these things. And of course, we'll be excited to see some new colors when they come to see you for our next appointment.